Hello, I'm Marie-Lise from OO Deco. Today I will show you how you can make nice flower vase out of trash. Can you believe you can create these nice and modern vases just using plastic bottle, toilet paper rolls or glass jar? I will show you how. To make the fur flower vase, you will need a plastic bottle and some toilet paper rolls. Take a roll and flatten it. Cut it in half in the center. And cut it again following the fold line, so you will end up with 4 pieces. Cut a few paper rolls the same way so you have a lot of cardboard pieces. Take the plastic bottle and start gluing the cardboard pieces next to the bottle bottom. You can see that I draw some mark on the bottle, so I know exactly where to glue the cardboard pieces and they are distributed evenly around the bottle. The first cardboard piece is glued and you keep gluing until you complete the first row. This is how it looks with the first row of cardboard glue on the bottle. Let's add a second row of cardboard, and as you can see, you have to alternate the curves. Second row is done, and let's add a third one. Depending on the bottle size you use, you may want to add more or less row of cardboard. It's up to you. Starting to look nice. It's time to trim the top part of the bottle. Cut as close as possible of the cardboard so you have a nice and clean finish for your vase. The vase needs to be painted. I start with a pink color that I didn't like, so I end up painting it again in a brown beige color. This is a vase, paint and dry. And to add more texture, I spray paint it with 4-stone spray paint. The first vase is finished. Look how cute it is. To make the second flower vase, you will need a glass jar and some toilet paper rolls again. Flatten the paper rolls and cut it into slices. Unfold the cardboard and give it a D shape. You can see one side is shorter and straight and the other side is longer and curved. Repeat to make a few more cardboard pieces. Then take the jar and start gluing the pieces on it. Align the cardboard pieces with the bottom of the jar. And this is how the vase looks like now, with one row of cardboard. And now you can add a second row above the first one to finish the vase. And this time, to create a nice design, you will cut a slimmer piece of cardboard. And exactly as you did before, you fold them to give them a nice D shape. Glue the cardboard pieces on the jar. Make a second row just above the first one. Time to give the vase some nice color. This time I will spray paint it, but you can also use regular acrylic paint. Look at this cute little vase. It will be perfect as a centerpiece to decorate a table. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. Please follow for more DIY tutorials and ideas.